That PM4 file is a Peggle Nights replay recording, a captured gameplay session from PopCap's beloved puzzle game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play back or share these entertaining replays. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like PM4. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. PM4 files are replay recording files for PopCap Games' Peggle Nights, an arcade physics puzzle game. They store the complete sequence of player inputs and random seeds needed to deterministically reproduce a recorded gameplay session within the game engine. Peggle Nights PM4 replay files contain compressed input event sequences and initial random number generator seeds. The game engine uses this data to simulate all physics interactions, deterministically reproducing the exact ball trajectories and peg collisions of the original session. The designated application for the PM4 file is Peggle Nights from PopCap Games. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows gives only surface-level information, so detailed access requires specialized game-related software. To solve the application association issue, right-click your PM4 file and choose Open With. Check for Peggle Nights and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. The right program is out there. When your PM4 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, watching replays. Open Peggle Nights on your PC and load the replay through the game's replay viewer or by placing the PM4 file in the game's replays directory. The game will reconstruct the entire gameplay session from the stored input data and display it in real time. Next, sharing replay files. Copy PM4 replay files to share with other Peggle Nights players. The recipient must have the same version of Peggle Nights installed to correctly replay the session. Share files via email, cloud storage, or dedicated Peggle community forums. Finally, troubleshooting replay errors. If a replay plays incorrectly or desynchronizes, it may have been created with a different game version. Ensure both the creator and viewer have the same Peggle Nights version installed. Desynchronization typically indicates a version mismatch or corrupted replay file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.